guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I decided to do like a little summer lunch or dinner idea. This is really quick, healthy, and I think you all will really like it. So for this recipe, I'm using Daily Harvest. This isn't sponsored or any type of collaboration with them. I just actually genuinely enjoy Daily Harvest. This is like a plant-based, what's it called? Subscription, like food service. So they'll send you little cups in the mail. And I got the 6 cup, I've gotten the 9 cup before. And I will have a referral code for you all in case you want to get 3 free cups. Oh, my dog is over there playing, so if you hear him, I'm sorry. But I'm gonna be making a recipe out of the Harvest Bowl. This is the Brussels sprouts and lime pad thai. Sounds really good to me, so I'm really excited about this. And I'm actually using chicken in mine, so I think chicken's like a really good thing to add into these kind of things. But if you want to eat it just plain like this, that's fine as well. But I'm gonna adding some extra stuff because that's just what I like. I have 2 pans right here. I have a kind of like a medium size and a small one. The small one is what I'm going to be putting the Harvest Bowl in, and the medium is for the chicken. So I have some chicken breast I'm going to put on the stove. I'm not going to use all of it. I'm probably going to put some in a Tupperware and save it for later. So for oil, I'm going to be adding light tasting olive oil. I usually like to use grapeseed oil, but right now I'm at my parents' house and they don't have that, so I'm using olive oil. So I decided not to cook all the chicken because it's just like a ton. So I'm actually just gonna cook one of the chicken breasts. It's gonna be like this size, which is pretty decent size. That's all I need basically. I'm just gonna put that in the pan. And I'm going to put these in a plastic bag and freeze them, the rest of the chicken. So that is actually a new bowl that I'm trying. I've tried other things from Daily Harvest. I have a couple more that I wanted to show you. This is the tomato zucchini minestrone soup, which is really good. I've had that one before. And then I've had the chilled tomato bell pepper garbanzo. That one's really good too. That is actually very loud, so I hope you can still hear me. But I'm just gonna be placing the bowl wherever I put it. I'm placing the bowl inside a pan, and that's basically just it. You can add water and broth if you want. I'm adding some water to it just to make it more moist and stuff. So I'm gonna add that to the pan. While all that is cooking, I'm gonna be adding an onion. I love onions, so I'm gonna adding an onion to this recipe. I love sauteed onions. Like, I could just eat them by themselves. They're so good. I finally finished it, and I'm going to do a taste test for you all. I'm super hyped because it smells really good. Oh, this is really good. Okay, so I added, you know, the onions and the chicken, and I think that really did something for it because it's just like, it's so good. Okay, I have no words. But this was really easy. It only took me like literally, I feel like it took me like 10 minutes, but it's gonna feel longer because I'm like talking and filming this video. But the chicken definitely is really good, although I would have used grilled chicken because I don't know, I feel like it's more healthier than frying up chicken. but I did not have that right now, so I just had to go with the flow and use what I had. I definitely recommend using grilled chicken instead of what I used. It's so good. Totally recommend that dish, and I'll have that code right here and down below if you want to use it. Basically, you'll get 3 free cups and I will get 3 free cups, so it's like a win-win here. Thank you all so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and if you did, give it a big thumbs up so I know you did. And don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. I will have my social media right here and linked down below if you want to go follow me. I post lots of fashion photos, so you can get some inspo from that if you want. And but yeah, I'm just gonna go because I feel like there's gonna be so loud. I love y'all so much. Bye guys.